Do we make one call and it grabs all the token and the market data? Because it seems like the above code that I sent from the documentation allows for that. But please just explain to me how many calls we're making first. I'm just sipping coffee. And the documentation, we're currently making too many API calls. Here's what's happening. First call, get tokens, gets page of 250 tokens. For each token, we do another call, coins ID, to check if it's Solana. Then for each token that passes, we make more calls. So for just 250 calls, we're making 500 plus API calls. But looking at the documentation you shared, we can do this much more efficiently. The coins market endpoint can get all data in one call, filter by category. They have a Solana category, get up to 250 tokens per page, including all market data. We need price, volume, etc. Let me update the code. Now we're making just one API call to get only tokens here. All their market data, price, volume, ordered by volume, 250 tokens per page. This is much more efficient than before. Instead of one call for initial tokens, 50 calls. Now we just make one call to get everything we need. Can you do like an API tracker, call tracker? So in blue, with a blue background using term color and white text, I want you to constantly be printing each calls in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because since there's 15,000 tokens and there's only 250 results per call, I think we're gonna have to make multiple calls. But if you add this tracker, then I'll be able to keep an eye on it. I need to build this way from the start because I'm showing you guys. Luckily, I was in the process of withdrawing my money from Sex and moving to Dex. I left a few hundred, so I'm good. Was not hit hard. Oh, thank God, bro. Thank God, dude. Yeah, you still want the money back for sure, dude. I'm glad that it seems like they're paying people out, or they're going to. I don't know because I'm not keeping an eye on it. Um, but yeah, good luck, bro. Good luck. Have fun. Good luck. Have fun, dude. Good luck. Have fun, dude. Number one token in my wallet is my response to you, bro. I'll add an API call tracker that shows the progress in a nice blue background. Thank you, Shardy. It's very nice of you to do that today because we stepping on the gas every day. We're building the exchange, our agent. I don't understand. It's weird because it's odd because that documentation I just sent you said that we could get 250 results per run, and now we're doing hella API calls again. It seems like for each endpoint. From my understanding of the documentation, we're able to pull all the data for at least 250 tokens at once. So for it to do this many calls that quickly, it seems a little off. Yeah, I'm absolutely right again. He's absolutely right again, dude. He is the AI. See, we're still making individual token calls, which is unnecessary since Coins Market Data Endpoint gives us everything we need plus cheese. Let me fix this by removing those extra calls and only using the bulk. Thank you. Run it back. Just keep running it back. Okay, that's what I like to see, my cousin. Yes. Next round starts in 60 minutes. The fuck? Dude. Volume too low. Let's add some debugging, cousin. Let's add some debugging because volume's too low on all of them. So I think that we're probably just looking at the wrong data. Let's go ahead and print out what the data we get back is. Pause, sleep for 10 seconds so I can grab it and then I'll send it to you. I love this game, dude. I'll add detailed debugging output to see exactly what data we're getting back from the API call. I'll add a sleep so you can see the raw response. Red background for debug messages.